Okay, the name of this platform is called the Home Business Academy, and there are multiple ways you can make money with it. First up is the Freedom Launchpad, where you give away a free digital book. Income stream number 2 is the all-in-one digital business, which is our capture page and funnel building software. It's only $25 a month, and it absolutely puts those other capture page systems to shame. Income stream number 3 is our premium product, and this is where you get into some extensive training. Several times a week, you can log in and watch the founders of the company show you the actions that they actually take every day to grow their business. Right here is where your money is going to be made. Income stream number 4 is our high-ticket product called the Financial Literacy Academy that's taught by none other than Mark Kohler, who is a world-famous attorney and CPA. And this course is going to teach you how to manage your business. Think of the Home Business Academy as your digital online store. Anytime someone purchases one of the products, you earn a whopping 80% commission, which is unheard of in the affiliate marketing industry. And it doesn't cost anything to become an HBA affiliate. For today, I only want to cover the Freedom Launchpad. This product promotes the Escape Plan, which is a 183-page ebook that we give away for free. Now, this is not your typical book that you just read and never come back to. It's more of a workbook, and we go through it together in the form of daily action steps for you to complete. If you look right here underneath this video, you're given your first action step, which is to read pages 1 to 12. And see right here, it tells you to watch the video and actually do what it says before moving on to the next module in the course. There's also an audio version of the book, so you can listen to it while driving back and forth to work or when you're cleaning the house or cooking dinner. Do not rush through these steps, guys, because they build off of the previous steps. If you go through them correctly and you follow all the instructions, then by the time you get to step 7, you should be generating some instant cash flow. Now, inside the Freedom Launchpad are a couple of offers. So whenever you give away the free system, your visitors are going to be taken to a page that looks like this. They can watch this video and then just scroll through the pages to see what the Freedom Launchpad is all about. Right here, it explains how the Freedom Launchpad works. And this tells you everything you're going to have access to. And then right here, you can see that it only costs a one-time $27. If you don't want it, you can click the link that says, "No thanks, take me to the book," and pay nothing because the book is free. However, in order to make 80% commissions, you will need to purchase this offer for yourself, because if you don't own it when you start giving away the Escape Plan, then that $23 commission is going to be passed right along to me. So keep that in mind. The reason I lead with the Escape Plan is because it's free, but also because people actually do go on to grab the $27 offer. Take a look at this. Sam Card is what we use to get paid, so you don't have to deal with setting up a Stripe account, PayPal, or any of those mobile cash apps. And this is my account. You can see my photo right here. If you look over here, you can see that people are actually buying the products inside the Home Business Academy. And all I do is lead with the Freedom Launchpad. I don't have to promote the individual products inside the Academy because the system is going to do that for me. Also, Sam Cart is where you will find all your affiliate links to promote. So you can come back here and click the copy button next to any of these pages that you want to promote, and then start sharing that link all over the internet. Your primary focus is to drive as much traffic as you can to your Freedom Launchpad. The book teaches you how to do that, and it also shows you how to follow up with all your leads. And it only takes about 30 minutes a day. So if you're looking for a simple affiliate program that has a high conversion rate and pays out 80% commissions, then click the link in the description and get started today. I hope this video has been informative for you. Please subscribe to my channel. and thank you for watching.